Hello, my name is Anastasia Barkova, and today we work with herbarium. And make a composition animals. So herbarium, they are flowers, leaves, a leaf, leaves, glue. So to make a composition with the help of a herbarium, you will need a background, rectangle, background. So you put leaves or flowers on the background. So you can make a shape of a rabbit, for example, any animal. You can use scissors to scissor out the shape. If you like your composition, you pick up glue, put some glue on the background, pick up leaves or flowers and stick up. The same with the ornament. A design. You use leaves and flowers, berries, a berry, big leaves, small leaves. You can use maple seeds, ornaments, basement, red background, green background, and the animals, a yellow background. So thanks for watching. See you, bye.